art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Ezra the Hitchhiking Ghost from Haunted Mansion. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right in the middle here, stepping down. And we're going to draw in a nice big arch line for the top of the nose. On each side we're going to round this out now. So starting back on the left hand side, we're going to continue to curve this up, arching that down for the nostril, connecting that on the bottom. We'll step across on the right hand side, replicating that, curving that over, and then tucking that down. Let's just color in the nostrils black. Now from the middle, stepping over, we're going to draw in two curved lines coming up to the top, just adding some detail there. Let's frame in the top of the cheek. So over on the left hand side, we're going to curve this up and across. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the bottom of that cheek, we're going to curve this down, up, and over. We'll replicate that on the left-hand side as well. Let's close the top of the mouth off here. So on the left-hand side, curving that over and through to the right. Stepping across to the left. We're going to arch this line down, tucking this all the way over and through on the right. We just want to thicken up the corner. So we're going to curve this line down, connecting that on the side. And then we'll just go ahead and color that in black. Now in the center of the mouth for the teeth, we're just going to draw on a straight line coming down. On both sides of that now, we're going to curve that through on a diagonal towards the top. Let's leave another gap, replicating that through to the top. And then now in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line, bringing that all the way across to the right. Let's move up for the eyes now. So we're going to draw in almost like the frown line here. So right in the center, stepping over on the left, we're going to curve this down, up, and over to the left. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's curve this in on the side for the side of the eye. And then stepping across, rounding that out, curving that down. Let's come back through to the top now for the eyeball. We're just going to round this down. Stepping in for the pupil, drawing in another circle. And then closer towards the inside edge, adding in a second circle, just making this one smaller for the highlight. And then now let's just color in that pupil black. Let's frame it around the eyes here again. So stepping up on a diagonal, curving this around, tucking that back in. Let's come in behind. We're going to curve this over and down. We'll end that at the same height. Let's continue to round this cheek out from that point, curving this over, tucking that back in. Now for the chin on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, just following the shape of the mouth, tucking that back up on the right. Now on the top here, curving this over and through. Ending that at the same height. We're going to close this off now. So stepping further out on that line, we're just going to curve this through, tucking that out on the right. Let's draw on the frown lines here. So on the left hand side, we're going to dip this line up, down as we come in towards the center, tucking that back up to the right, curving that out. We'll do the exact same thing as we move up. Now for the ear on the left-hand side, curving this around and down. Adding in some more details, just curving that over and in. And then now for the bottom of the ear, just rounding that into the cheek. Let's add in some details inside the ear now. So we're going to curve that up and across on a diagonal. And then right in the middle, we're going to curve that down. Let's frame in the hair. On the top from that point, we're going to dip this down, up and over. Now from that point, let's curve that in to the middle. Again, let's step underneath, curving this around, tucking that back up and in. Moving through to the bottom, arching this down, tucking that back up. Let's move in again. We're going to curve this over and through to the top. And then again, tucking this down and back into the cheek. One more time, adding in a small triangle underneath that cheek there, finishing off the hair. Lastly, let's frame in the hat. So on each side, we're just going to curve that through to the top, and we're going to end that at the exact same height. We're going to kind of curve this through on a diagonal now. So we're going to round that out, tucking that over, down, and into the middle. We'll continue this on the right now, bringing this up on a diagonal, curving this down as we dip into the center, connecting that as best we can together. We're going to add in a slight curved line, connecting that. Let's frame in the rest of the hat on the top. So we're going to curve this out on each side. And now from that point, we're just going to round this out, curving this all the way over, connecting that on the right-hand side. And that is it. That's how you draw Ezra the Hitchhiking Ghost. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.